What are we going to do today?
Making a birdhouse.
Yeah, show me. Let's see what the birdhouse looks before. Okay, and we'll show everybody what's going to look like afterwards after we paint it, okay? What colors did you pick out for paint? Whoops. So you picked out all these colors, right?
Yes.
We went to Michael's yesterday. We picked out the birdhouses and we picked out the colors.
No, put all the colors over there. Hi, Noah. Hi, Abbott. I'm going to go and paint me too. This is not good. It's not good. Hi.
Okay.
Use those ones right in those holes.
Yeah, we filled up the holes with all the colors. Okay, you ready to start painting? You can dip your paintbrush in and start putting some paint.
This side goes there.
Okay.
And the other side goes, red goes on the other side. I'm mixing the colors together.
Okay.
Let's see what's going to make. A little bit of purple.
Yeah, don't touch it though, okay?
Now blue.
Okay.
It's making dark blue.
Okay, let's see what Noah's making. You painting the top of yours too, Noah?
This is making dark orange. Mommy,
Yeah.
I'm mixing all the colors together.
Okay, whatever you want to do. It's your birdhouse.
Yeah. I'm making all the colors together. And I'm mixing those colors on there.
Okay.
Now I'm going to do this. It's turning.
Yeah.
Making purple.
Good.
A purple castle.
Okay, hold.
Green, red, orange, green. I need some green, red, orange, green. I need green, red, and blue, and orange.
Okay, show me. Let's see what you've done so far. Yours is looking really good, Ev. How did you make purple?
With mixing the colors on the brush.
Yeah. Let's see Noah's so far. Noah's looks good, huh? You guys need some more paint?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
This is my red.
Yeah.
No, that's my orange.
Wait, yours is over here. Yours, yeah, I think that's fine. That's Noah's. You guys almost done painting the houses?
Mine is almost done. Now I gotta do it on top of it.
What, Noah?
I need some more paint.
I think that's it. That's about it for now, okay?
I'm done.
Okay, good. Okay, let's show everybody the birdhouses you made. Tell me what's on it. What did you pick to put on it?
Parrot, rainbow, and airplane.
Yeah.
I got pirate ship.
Yeah.
And I got a pirate ship boat. I got a pirate ship castle.
Yeah.
Me too.
And we put a little hook on top, and we'll hang it from the tree. We'll put a little bird seed in there, okay? And then we'll hang it from the tree. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Okay, come show me where yours is.
Mine is right over here.
Yeah, there's yours, and let's go see where Noah's is.
Yeah.
Where's Noah's?
Let's put this on the...
And here's Noah's. You want it on your
Mommy,
Evan
you
and Noah
made
3?
it, right, Mommy? We're
I didn't.
making it.
Yeah, we're making it now. We're making a video right now.
Yeah.
You think the birds are gonna come to your birdhouse?
Yeah.
We'll see.
I want to look at that window.
Okay, you want to look out that window?
No, that window.
Okay, that's the office window.
No, that one. I want to look at that one.
Okay. Did you like making the birdhouses?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll have to see if the birds are gonna come.